Hi guys, it's Jayma Malmy, and I have some more July-August products to show you from close to my heart. If you haven't checked out my last unboxing video, I showed you some of the other new July-August products, and this is my next shipment to show you more goodies. So July is when this Happiest Place collection became available, even to consultants. So I just got that. Got another catalog. And so my Happiest Place stuff is here at the bottom, but wanted to show you what else I got. So I had these in my last order and I've almost used all of them up. This is the Summer Vibes acrylic shapes, so I ordered some more of those. These are so fun. I added them to a bunch of my pocket pages that I did for my Project Life album for the documenting COVID. I got this Gnome Matter stamp set, which is so adorable. This already sold out once and it's been reordered. So if it's still sold out while you're watching this, it is coming back. But it comes with the stamps and the matching dies. So super, super cute. And it cuts out just about every image except for these little tiny ones and the sentiments. So that's been super, super popular. And luckily I grabbed it right before it went out of stock. I just really love this stamp set, and I have a lot of floral stamp sets, but I thought that these florals were pretty, but there's so many sentiments and the leaves, and you can layer the florals on the stems. And then I love this right here. And let me show you what really sold me on it in the catalog. I might have pointed it out in my last video. One card I liked is this one right here. You can see that sort of watercolor mark behind here. And then the one that really sold me on it was this. I just love the look of all of that. Isn't that pretty? This is like a cutout and you see it through, but there's so many things. I just love this mark, and you can get the perfect watercolor look every time. You guys probably know I love working with mixed media, and I've been into that lately, but this just makes it so easy if you don't want to get messy. So we've got the stamp of the month for July. This is called For My Beautiful Friend, and I'm really excited to use this. I hadn't gotten it yet. And then this is a little peek at next month's stamp of the month. Can you tell florals are popular? I just always love a good floral set. Okay, and then let's see. I got the Celebrate Today Picture My Life cards because they were running low and I love them. This is from a couple catalogs ago. Not sure if they're still available right now, but if they are, I will link them below. I got the Shimmer Brushes in the new colors. So this is Green Apple and Lemonade, brand new colors of Shimmer Brushes. You guys know I love my Shimmer Brushes. I love using them to add shimmer to my projects, my stamped images, stickers, and then I also love splattering with them to make splatters on my projects. I got another Tombow that comes with refills as well. This is part of the new magical collection, so I'm going to wait on that. So this die, I just thought this was so fun. It's 2 dies, and they layer up to create this layered hooray for today. And I thought that would be so fun for a scrapbook page. It's a little big for a card, but I think you could probably get it to fit. Well, you could do it for a 5x7 card, or just trim off the ends for a standard A2 card. So I just thought that was so cute. And then I grabbed the Summer Vibes card kit because I love this stamp set. So the only way to get this stamp set and die set is in this kit. And so there's the stamps and the dies, and it cuts out all of the sentiments as well. But the great thing about this kit is called Workshop Your Way. It comes with everything you need to make these cards that they show. And so look how cute those are. I love the workshop kits because you always learn new techniques. It comes with this full color guide, which has a cutting guide, so it tells you how you should cut all of your paper and cardstock ahead of time so you've got all your pieces ready. And I recommend putting your pieces in piles for cards 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll make 4 of each of these 4 designs. And then it shows you how to put them together with a color picture. So, aren't those adorable? My friend Katy did a really awesome spin on these cards by making them into shaker cards with flip-flaps. You may have seen her video because it was linked in our last creative design team video collaboration, but I'll link it here below because she did such a cool job on those cards. And then you also get the white acrylic hearts because those are the embellishments on these cards. And it also comes with the card bases and envelopes and the cardstock and paper that you're going to need for the cards. So I love our Workshop Your Way kits. So I also grabbed the updated brush paper. I hadn't grabbed this yet because I had so much of the old brushed paper. This is part of the Bring Back My Pack series that Close to My Heart does. So they pulled a very popular paper pack from years ago and they refreshed it with our current colors and a new sticker sheet. So I did a process video with this paper pack already, and I'll link that below. I did a really cute scrapbook page with mixed media and stencils. So some of the colors that Close to My Heart has have changed a bit, so they updated the colors, and I love the new sticker sheet. This is my favorite. Isn't that gorgeous? Well, you know me and florals. So, and then let's take a closer look at this again. Look at all the stickers you get. That beautiful watercolor look. Love that. Okay, now we've got the magical. So let's start with this. This is the paper packet and sticker sheet. And I had seen the foiled stickers and paper when I saw Close to My Heart's Facebook Live, and you can sort of see in the catalog, but oh my gosh, look at that. It's like holographic silver. I didn't realize it was sort of holographic looking, but I've got it under the light here, and I think that you can get a pretty good look at that. So cute. So this is it's called Happiest Place, and so it's designed to be able to use with your Disney photos. But when we look at the paper pack, you'll see you don't have to use Disney. And some of these don't have to be Disney as well. You can use them for other things. So here's a roller coaster, which can be used for any roller coaster. And you can also cut out the clouds and suns if you want. That would be fun. And look at this fun yellow and white stripe on the other side. That definitely does not have to be Disney. But of course, if you are a Disney fan, this is perfect for you. Fun stars. And the other side is this swirly loops in glacier. Here is the red with white polka dots on one side, and also pay attention to the zip strips. I don't know if I was showing those before. And then black and white stripes. I'm always a sucker for black and white. And I am so excited about this one because that sunburst is so fun, and I'm excited to do a layout using that. And then here are some triangles on the other side. Polka dots and stars, polka dot zip strip, and black with white circles. There's this pattern and that zip strip. It's hard to tell, it's actually glacier with white stripes. And here's these stripes. Okay, now I'm really excited also about the cardstock, because we've also got the holographic silver foil on that. So the cardstock pack comes with a foiled cardstock and some plain cardstock. So you get, for black, a striped foiled cardstock, a star foiled cardstock, and 2 plain black cardstocks. So look at this. I mean, how fun is that foil? So excited to play with this. I've got a video coming up using the Happiest Place for our next creative design team video collaboration. So you're going to see lots of fun artwork with this once I play with it. Obviously I haven't yet because I just got it. So white, you get 1 stripe and 1 plain white. For yellow, you get 1 star and 1 plain yellow. This is lemonade. For the candy apple red, we've got a stripe and a plain. And for the glacier, we have a star and a plain. And our cardstock is 2-sided, so you've got the lighter shade of the glacier on the back and all of the other cardstock as well, except for the black and white. But the red and yellow and glacier all have the lighter shade on the back. On the holographic as well. So the holographic ones, the foil is only on one side, the other side is just regular cardstock. But I don't know that I would use this side, especially since you're paying for all of this, but you can sort of see the pattern through the other side. So that's why you get this plain cardstock as well. Okay, and last but certainly not least are these acrylic shapes that go with Happiest Place. So these are shiny on one side and matte on the other. So they're designed to be matte, but if you really want them to be shiny, you can just turn them over and use the other side. It's not as detailed though. The detail is all on this side. So how awesome is that? So there's the castle. Again, this doesn't have to be a Disney castle. This can just be a princess castle for little girls. Birthday layout or any layout or card or anything like that. So here's magical, and there's a dot to the eye somewhere here. These cute little Geo Tags. There's a camera. So these can be used for so many different things. There is a bow, and then this is all hearts and stars. So I use these kind of things all the time. So you can also change the color of these if you want. So say you didn't want the black castle on your project, dip it in some Versamark ink, which is the sticky embossing ink. Use some tweezers to help you grab it and put it in there if you want. And then coat it with embossing powder, like a silver embossing powder or a gold embossing powder. Heat set it, and then you've got your different colored castle. If it doesn't coat it all the way the first time, you can do it again. Once the embossing powder is heat set, then dip it in the Versamark again, get a good coating, and then emboss it again. If you have any questions at all, let me know. I will have the links to all of these things in the description below. So hit see more in the description box and you'll be able to see all of those links. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.